Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about control valve Nat for Vulcan Hart part #00-497269-00001. The control valve Nat for Vulcan Hart part #00-497269-00001 is a natural gas control valve that is designed to be used with Vulcan Hart commercial cooking equipment. This valve is used to regulate the flow of natural gas to the equipment, ensuring that it operates safely and efficiently. The valve features a manual shutoff, which allows the user to quickly and easily shut off the gas supply in case of an emergency. It also has a pressure regulator, which helps maintain a consistent pressure level throughout the system. Additionally, this valve has an eject. This part fixes the following symptoms. This valve is used to control the flow of water in a commercial dishwasher. It can help to reduce water pressure, reduce water temperature, and regulate the amount of water that is used during a cycle. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by turning off the gas supply to the appliance. 2. Disconnect the gas line from the existing control valve and remove it from the appliance. 3. Install the new control valve in its place, making sure that all connections are tight and secure. 4. Connect the gas line to the new control valve and turn on the gas supply. 5. Test for leaks using a soapy water solution or leak detector spray around all connections to ensure there are no leaks present. 6. Once all connections have been tested and confirmed to be leak-free, you can turn on your. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.